Welcome back to WoodTech YouTube channel. Today we will dive into a topic that might make you think deeply: the destruction of forests and cutting down trees around us. This is an issue that not only directly affects ecosystems, but also has a profound impact on our lives, from climate change, wildlife, to natural resources. In this video, we will take you to real-life footage of forests being destroyed and trees being felled. We hope these images will help you better understand the importance of protecting our forests and preserving the lush green forests that sustain life on our planet. We cannot turn a blind eye to these negative impacts, so raising awareness and taking action now is crucial. Let's learn together so that we can contribute to protecting nature and improving environmental conditions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss any of our videos. We always strive to bring you interesting and informative content. The images in this video will likely surprise and sadden you. Bulldozers and other high-powered vehicles are being used to clear vast areas of forest, taking down everything in their path, whether it's towering trees or smaller ones. A particularly powerful method being used is the large chain technique. Two massive vehicles pull a giant chain, and as the chain drags along, trees of all sizes, no matter how sturdy they may seem, are brought down by sheer force. These powerful bulldozers don't just clear the land, they destroy everything in their way. From massive, centuries-old trees to tiny bushes and even wild grass, nothing is spared. Whether it's a giant tree or a small blade of grass, everything gets crushed under the immense force of these machines. This is a common method that many farmers apply to increase the amount of arable land for growing crops, thus producing food and agricultural products to sustain their families. With powerful bulldozers, they can quickly clear out weeds and trees that grow on uncultivated land, turning it into open ground for farming. This solution helps increase agricultural productivity and improve the quality of life for people in remote areas. This is the process of using a specialized wood-cutting machine designed specifically to cut large tree trunks and divide them into equal sections. The excess parts, such as leaves and branches, are removed by the machine. At the end of the cutter, there is a saw controlled by the operator, which trims and removes unnecessary portions. The machine ensures precise cuts, making the process of harvesting large trees faster and more efficient. Additionally, the operator has full control over the saw, allowing for fine adjustments to ensure the tree sections are cut to the required specifications. The scene of harvesting a cornfield with agricultural machinery is truly impressive. Modern combine harvesters move swiftly across the field, collecting ripe corn cobs with high speed and efficiency. The machines automatically separate the kernels from the cob while sorting and processing them accurately. The harvesting process is quick, minimizing labor and time. Thanks to advanced technology, the harvesting yield is optimized, delivering a high output while maintaining the quality of the corn. The giant chain moves forward, and wherever it goes, the trees fall flat. Each time the chain stretches out, the trees that once stood tall are instantly knocked over, bowing down like broken spears. The power of the chain is unstoppable, dragging down each tree, each massive trunk, making the entire forest seem to collapse before your eyes. After the trees have fallen, they are set on fire to clear the land for agricultural production. The fire blazes, burning the remaining trunks, branches, and leaves, freeing up a large area for planting. Thick smoke rises into the sky, creating a haunting scene. The land, once scorched, becomes empty and ready for the next stages of cultivation. Next, machinery begins to extract other large blocks of wood. Saws and cutting machines are used to divide the logs into smaller sections, each carefully and precisely cut. These wood sections are then transported to a collection point, ready for processing and production. The entire process is carried out swiftly and efficiently, saving time and labor while ensuring the quality of the raw wood materials. The smaller parts of the trunks are fed into a shredder, where they are broken down to create nutrients that will nourish other plants. The shredder crushes the wood, branches, and remaining leaves into small fragments. These fragments are then converted into organic matter, helping to regenerate the soil and provide nutrients for new crops. This process not only cleans the area, but also contributes to maintaining the sustainability of the ecosystem in the cleared land. This vehicle is highly effective in destroying trees in its path. With its powerful design and specialized mechanisms, the vehicle can easily topple and destroy trees, clearing the area quickly. As it moves along, trees fall flat, making way for the next stages of work. The vehicle's efficiency in clearing and preparing the land for further activities is quite evident. This is a soil-tilling vehicle, and wherever it goes, the soil is turned over, making it convenient for future land cultivation and agricultural activities. With its special design, the vehicle can easily disturb and process the soil, making it loose and ideal for water and nutrient absorption. This process not only improves the soil quality, but also prepares the land for future planting, ensuring the healthy growth of crops. The destructive power of this machine is truly brutal. Every time it moves, everything in its path is completely obliterated. Trees of all sizes cannot withstand the machine's force, being crushed and toppled in an instant. It's like a storm, leaving nothing but devastation in its wake, leaving the surroundings empty and desolate. Once the tree trunks are cut, a different vehicle is used to uproot the roots of those trees. This vehicle is specially designed to easily access and pull out the roots, completely removing the trees from the ground. With its strength and efficient mechanism, the vehicle not only cuts the trunks but also digs deep into the soil, removing the roots, clearing the area, and preparing the land for the next stages of work. A close-up of the corn harvesting process, where modern technology and machinery are used for efficient extraction. As the vehicle passes, the corn stalks are precisely and quickly cut. After each pass, the area is left extremely clean and tidy. The machines not only harvest the corn, but also clear the area, removing any excess parts like leaves, roots, and leftover stalks. This process saves time and labor, while also maintaining a neat appearance for the harvested land, preparing it for the next stages of agricultural production.